Hi guys, Henry here. So today I thought I'd do a bit of selfless promotion on one of the services we do. This is particularly for the sub $250,000 mark in terms of platforms. So what we've done is we've collaborated with Saxo Bank that cost 0.12%. That is completely FCA regulated, fee based, no entry or exit costs, so you can take in and out anytime. And what we've done is done something very simple, is we've made a portfolio of low cost ETFs, mainly Vanguard iShares, that costs around 0.1% in US dollar forms. And we've made portfolios for different risk profiles and investment timeframes based on the asset allocation on this. So we'll just go through the costs. It'll cost 0.12% for the platform, cost 0.1% for the funds, and 0.25% for the IFA charge. What we do is we rebalance the platform every quarter in line with the asset allocations, and also reweight if we think there's certain macro trends on that as well that we can go more into. This is for someone who's just looking for a kind of passive way to invest as an expat that's relatively low cost. We think it's a lot better than a lot of the options that are presently out there. For example, your bonds or saving plans that are highly expensive and inflexible. For example, they're costing 2-3% in the savings plans with very little flexibility. Again, I'll put a description in the link below on that. And also the offshore bond markets for lump sum. This is for someone who just wants a pretty vanilla formatted portfolios. They haven't got too much amounts. They're looking to grow and just put in kind of on a regular basis. It's flexible, it's lowish cost, it's very low compared to what you have in the offshore space, and it's formatted in ETFs. Very simple. I'll put a link in the description below. If you have got more questions, feel free to email me at info@investmentforexpats.com. I'm happy to go over this and share a bit more information on this aspect.